This low-carb dish will energize and fill you up for the rest of the day. Make crispy breakfast zucchini hash browns with just a few ingredients with this easy recipe brought to you by recipes.net. In a bowl with a grated zucchini, add the salt, toss, and allow to sit for 5 minutes. Then, transfer the zucchini into a cheesecloth and squeeze out the excess juice. Place the zucchini in a large mixing bowl, then add the garlic, onion powder, Italian seasoning, eggs, all-purpose flour, Parmesan cheese, and ground black pepper. Fold until evenly incorporated. In a skillet, add the vegetable oil and heat over medium heat. Scoop the zucchini mixture in, form into desired shape, and cook for 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Flip to cook the other side. Drain any excess oil, then serve with salsa, garnished with chopped parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.